નમસ્કાર મિત્રો, આજે આપણે આ વિડીયોમાં ધોરણ 9 ઇંગ્લિશ પાઠ 3 મોહન એન્ડ હિઝ વીણાના ગાલા સ્વાધ્યાય પોથીની સંપૂર્ણ સમજૂતી જોઈશું. પ્રશ્ન 1. રીડ ધ એક્સ્ટ્રેક્ટ એન્ડ આન્સર ધ ક્વેશ્ચન. તો ડાયરેક્ટ આપણે ક્વેશ્ચન આન્સર જોઈએ. ક્વેશ્ચન 1. હાઉ કેન યુ સે ધેટ મ્યુઝિક વોઝ ઇન મોહન્સ બ્લડ? Answer. Music was in Mohan's blood because he was born into a family of musicians and he grew up musician. Question 2. What was Mohan initially trained in? So answer. Mohan was initially trained in vocal music. Question 3. Which instrument did Mohan play? So answer. Mohan played the violin and the sitar. Question 4. Which instrument did Mohan play for 3 years? So answer. Mohan played the sitar for 3 years. Second paragraph. Question. When was Mohan attracted to guitar? So answer. Mohan was attracted to the guitar when German lady came to stay with his family to learn music from his father. Third paragraph. Question 1. What did Mohan's auntie say? So answer. Mohan's auntie said that his father did not approve of his love for guitar. Question 2. What did a family member say about the guitar? So answer. A family member said that the guitar did not have the effect which Indian instruments have and it was not from India. Question 3. What was practiced in Mohan's family? Answer. Sitar, vocal and classical violin were practiced in Mohan's family. Paragraph 4. Question 1. What did Mohan's mother do? So answer. Mohan's mother came to his help and declared that he should follow his heart desire. Question 2. Why was Mohan overjoyed? So answer. Mohan was overjoyed because his father started supporting him. Question 3. What did Mohan decide to do? So answer. Mohan decided to modify the guitar. Question 4. What did Mohan try to do with the guitar? So answer. Mohan tried to make the guitar suitable for playing pure Indian classical music. Paragraph 5. Question 1. What did Mohan's brother, sister and nephew do at the gathering? Answer. Mohan's brother, sister and nephew played music on their classical instrument. Question 2. What did Mohan wish? Answer. Mohan wished to perform on the guitar. Chhatto paragraph. Question 1. What did a relative tell Mohan? So answer. A relative told Mohan that he need to work very hard with the instrument. Question 2. What did the other relative tell Mohan? So answer. The other relative told Mohan that if it were the sitar, he would have been in competition with his brother and sister. Satmo paragraph. Question 1. What did someone say about the sitar's sound? Answer. Someone said that the sitar sound is like a flowing stream. Question 2. What did someone say about Mohan's brother? The answer. Someone said that Mohan's brother played the violin and his sur and tal were very beautiful. 8mo paragraph. Question 1. How did Mohan react to the criticism of his relative? The answer. Mohan was depressed and he cried for the whole night. Question 2. What did Mohan decide? The answer. Mohan decided that the guitar would become his face to the world and that he would make it big one day. Paragraph 9. Question 1. What did Mohan do after the incident? Answer. After the incident, Mohan doubled his riyaz and practiced the guitar for about 10 hours a day. Question 2. What did Mohan decide? The answer. Mohan decided to incorporate the speciality, technique and sound of every instrument into the guitar. Question 3. What did Mohan want to invent? Answer. Mohan wanted to invent something which gave the sound and tune of the Western guitar but could be played like the Indian veena. Question 4. What did Mohan study? Answer. Mohan studied the other aspect of the guitar. 10th paragraph. Question 1. What was important of Mohan? Answer. It was important for Mohan that his instrument should not only produce good sound but express his vision. Question 2. Which award has Pandit Vishwa Mohan Bhatt won? Answer. Pandit Vishwa Mohan Bhatt has won the Grammy Award. Question 3. How did Pandit Vishwa Mohan Bhatt create the Mohan Veena? Answer. Pandit Vishwa Mohan Bhatt created the Mohan Veena after untiring effort and understanding of the ragas. Question 4. What does Pandit Vishwa Mohan Bhatt say on winning the Grammy Award? Answer. On winning the Grammy Award, Pandit Vishwa Mohan Bhatt said that he was successful because he just followed his heart passion. Question 2. Use the set of words in your own sentence. 1. Enter gathering. Answer. When Narendra Modi entered the gathering of people, clapped for him. Question 2. Modify effort. Answer. With great effort, Mohan modified the veena. 3. Performance ceremony. Answer. My performance was good on wedding ceremony. 4. Winner practice. Answer. Manoj is the winner because he practice more. 5. Approve determined. Answer. Though his parents did not approve of his interest in music, he was determined to become a musician. 6. Follow and create. Answer. He follows the rules and create the new toy. 7. Declare support. Mother declared her support for me. 8. Effect and sound. The sound of musician have a magical effect on everyone. Suitable. Finally. Finally we get suitable atmosphere to live better life. 10. Sound and flowing. Sitar sound is like a flowing stream. 11. Incorporate untiring. Answer. Narendra Modi's untiring effort to incorporate some changes in the election process. Question 3. Write who said to whom the following sentence. Sentence 1. Answer. Mohan said to himself. Sentence 2. Family member said to Mohan. Sentence 3. Mohan's auntie said to Mohan. Sentence 4. Mohan's mother said to family. Sentence 5. A relative said to Mohan. Sentence 6. Mohan said to himself. Question 4. Fill in the blanks choosing the correct word from the brackets. The 1. Answer. Musicians. બીજામાં initially અને ત્રીજામાં vocal. સેકન્ડ પેરેગ્રાફ. પહેલામાં ક્લાસિકલ, બીજામાં પ્રેક્ટિસ્ડ અને ત્રીજામાં ઇફેક્ટ. થર્ડ પેરેગ્રાફ. પહેલામાં ઓવરજોઈડ, બીજામાં મોડિફાય અને ત્રીજામાં સ્યુટેબલ. ચોથો પેરેગ્રાફ. પહેલામાં એપ્રેસિએશન, બીજામાં એક્સપ્રેસ્ડ અને ત્રીજામાં પરફોર્મ. પાંચમો પેરેગ્રાફ, સિતાર કોમ્પિટિશન ઇન્સ્ટ્રુમેન્ટ. છઠ્ઠો પેરેગ્રાફ, સાઉન્ડ ફ્લોઈંગ ડેપ્થ. સાતમો પેરેગ્રાફ, ફેસ શ્યોર ડિટર્મિનેન્ટ. આઠમો પેરેગ્રાફ, ઇન્સિડન્ટ ટર્નિંગ પોઈન્ટ ડબલ. નવમો, એસ્પેક્ટ ઇન્કોર્પોરેટ ટેકનિક. દસમું, ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ એક્સપ્રેસ વિઝન. પાંચમું, કરેક્ટ ધ અંડરલાઇન પાર્ટ્સ એન્ડ રિવરાઇટ ધ પેરેગ્રાફ. આન્સર: Sumit always goes to school by bus. He never goes on his bicycle. But sometimes, if his father is free, he drops him to school. I have sometimes seen him with his father. Second paragraph answer. The sitar is a wonderful instrument. The sound of the sitar has the effect that no other instrument has. It is widely used in Indian classical music. Third answer. All the students were standing quietly in a queue, but one boy was looking around anxiously. His friend tapped gently on his shoulder. Why are you so nervous? He asked. છઠ્ઠો પ્રશ્ન. Complete the dialogue using the expression given in the brackets. તો ડાયરેક્ટ જવાબ જોઈએ. પહેલામાં વેર આર યુ ગોઈંગ. બીજામાં નો આઈ ડીડ નોટ. ત્રીજામાં હાઉ ઓલ્ડ ઇઝ યોર બ્રધર. ચોથામાં નો થેન્ક યુ. 5 આઈ એમ ફાઇન થેન્ક યુ. છઠ્ઠામાં નો આઈ ઓલવેઝ ગો બાય બસ. સાતમો ક્વેશ્ચન. મેચ ધ એક્સપ્રેશન વિથ ધ પ્રોપર ફંક્શન ધે કન્વે. તો જવાબ જોઈશું. પહેલામાં બી ફ્રીક્વન્સી ઓફ એક્શન. બીજામાં ઈ એક્સપ્રેસિંગ એબિલિટી. ત્રીજામાં બી ફ્રીક્વન્સી ઓફ એક્શન. ચોથામાં ડી એક્સપ્રેસિંગ નેસેસિટી. પાંચમામાં એ ડિસ્ક્રાઇબિંગ પાસ ઇવેન્ટ. છઠ્ઠામાં સી એક્સપ્રેસિંગ મેનર. આઠમો ક્વેશ્ચન. સેન્ટેન્સ વિથ ધ ફંક્શન ગિવન ઇન ધ બ્રેકેટ્સ. તો પહેલું કેન ડ્રાઈવ એ કાર. બીજામાં ઓલવેઝ પ્લે ક્રિકેટ ઇન ધ ગાર્ડન. ત્રીજામાં મસ્ટ પ્રેક્ટિસ રેગ્યુલરી. ચોથામાં વી વિઝિટેડ અવર નેટિવ વિલેજ. પાંચમામાં નેવર ગેટ્સ એંગ્રી વિથ અસ. છઠ્ઠામાં રીડ સાયલેન્ટલી. ક્વેશ્ચન 9. રીડ પેરેગ્રાફ ઇન 50 words on my hobby. Answer. There are many kinds of hobbies. Collection of coin or stamp, music, painting, photography are some of them. My hobby is collecting stamp. I have collected stamp of many countries. I get stamp from friend and relative or exchange some of my stamps with new one. I passed all my stamp very carefully in an album. I have 2 albums, one for Indian stamp and other for foreign stamp. My hobby keeps me occupied in my free time. It gives me a lot of general knowledge. I learn about the history and geography of different countries. I also learn about great leaders of the world. I get information about different bird, animal and flowers. My parents also help me in my hobby. Question 10. Describe the picture in about 10 sentences. Answer. This is a picture of classroom. It looks clean and airy. The students are sitting on the benches. The teacher is standing near the table. She is teaching. A girl is writing on the blackboard. A boy is coming in the classroom. There is cupboard on the wall. There are some charts on the wall. There is a clock on the wall too. The classroom is also big. Thanks.